Trump administration placing new limits on cash-out refinance loans. The Trump administration is reducing how much home equity mortgage borrowers can withdraw through cash-out refinances. Starting September 1, the Federal Housing Administration will limit the loan amounts for cash-out refinancings to 80% of the home's value or less. Previously, the new loan amount limit is in line with the limits already in place at Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Cash-out refinances in tandem with ballooning home values across much of the country. Many people have turned. In 2018, the volume of cash-out refinances grew as mortgage rates rose, making up 63% of all FHA refinance activity through September, up from 39% the previous year. But that uptick in cash-out loans came with a drawback: added risk. FHA official. Ultimately, the FHA, which is a division of the Department of Housing and Urban Development, may be seeking to avoid a repeat of the chain of events that led to the last recession. People really started using their homes as ATMs, and when the market plummeted they ended up upside down, said Rick Sharga, a mortgage industry veteran. A lot of the Sharga said the net result of the FHA's policy change should be positive for borrowers, because it will prevent them from overextending themselves. Most housing experts, however, some argued that the new limits could serve as a precursor to other changes in FHA policy as the government agency looks to reduce its risk. I wouldn't be surprised